Hello, in front of me I have a Xiaomi Redmi Watch 2 Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to check for the firmware updates on this device. First, grab the phone that is paired with your watch. Open the Xiaomi Wear application on this phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, you should see the status page, this one. Now tap on the profile icon. On the profile page, scroll all the way down and tap on the option called Check for Updates. As you can see, we have the update available. So we can tap on Download Update Package. And the update will start installing automatically. Now let's wait until it's done. And after the watch reboots, the update is complete installing. And that's how you check for the firmware updates on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.